Hey guys! Hello lovelies! Welcome to my channel. It's been such a long time since I've posted and I'm just coming back full force. I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna start posting new videos on a weekly basis and I'm gonna do some skincare routines. I'm gonna do makeup. I'm gonna do cover videos, original songs, everything for you guys. So I hope you are so excited as much as I am. Thank you to the subscribers who are coming back and thank you for the newcomers that are watching this video right now. If you enjoy what you see, please like, subscribe, and comment. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Hello! Again, we are gonna get started. I'm gonna do my makeup today. Today, I'm actually going to a job for the first day. So I'm so excited. I really don't need to do my makeup for this, but I'm gonna do it. And if you hear a little bit of noise, like the curtains moving, I do have cats and they're fighting. Everything's okay. We're fine. We're making it through. But anyways, let's get started. So I'm gonna share with you guys a little bit of the makeup that I have. I do use Lime Life by Alcone. If you haven't heard of it, it's a natural base makeup that comes from plants, really healthy for your skin. I don't only just use that, I do use other makeup products, but that's one of the main ones that I use. So we're gonna start off. I've already done my skin prep, my skincare routine this morning, which we will do a video on. So if you're like, I don't know about my skin routine, what should I do? I am gonna make a video for it, so don't worry. But we're just gonna get started with makeup, because that's the, that's the fun part. What I'm gonna do is, I have some spray primer. It's by Lime Life. It's super, super awesome. Spray this on before you put your makeup on. And I like to put a lot. You don't have to put a lot. I just do because I want that extra coverage. This is a liquid, but I do also put a cream on. I use CoverGirl. This one I'm doing color neutralizing, which is basically going to even out my redness in my skin. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I do get red spots right around here. But this is gonna even it out and make my skin more neutral all around. Let's go ahead and put some of this on. I do use my hands. I've been watching a lot of Hailey Bieber videos, and so I'm kind of like just copying everything she does lately. Now, you do want to get under your neck because that gets dirty very easily.
Stop talking during my video, please.
But anyways, so you're just gonna want to spread that out, put it all over your face. You don't need a lot, really, you don't. But you can already see it starting to neutralize my skin a little bit better. You're not seeing as much redness, which is exactly what we want. Thank you, CoverGirl. True Blend. Base business.
Foundation.
Foundation. Most important part of makeup. You want it to match your skin, because if not, we all know that you're faking it. I'm using Lime Life foundation. It doesn't come in a pretty package unless you want it to. So if you go buy stuff from here, just know that you can either get it in one of these or you can just get it in here so you can put it in your own big palette. You can create your own palette on Lime Life. So this I just have in a plastic cover. I'm not sure what shade this is. Let me see. Olive 1. Number 4, and this matches my skin tone perfectly. I'm a little on the pale side, but not like too pale. Just watch this coverage. And this stuff, you do not need a lot. This like covers it so well, but you can always apply more. So little is better to start off, especially around the mouth, because I don't know about you guys, but I do crease around my mouth right in this area because my cheeks are a little bit bigger than most people's. So when I smile, like I get those creases, and so I try not to put as much around my lips. Crease is really bad and it makes me look like an old lady. I don't need a lot on my forehead. I don't put a lot on my forehead. It's just not needed. I do get under here though, and on this side of my face. Sorry, I'm looking over here because I have a mirror over here. Sorry, I'm not looking at you guys. I promise, I love you. So there's our foundation. You can see that there's not much of a difference from before I put it on, except for that it's covering some of my redness and it's covering pimple areas. You literally just look like you have your skin on your face and you just have really nice skin. So now I'm gonna do our concealer. I have mine by e.l.f. and this is Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. And I don't use a bunch of this. I put it under my eyes and my forehead, on my lip, right here. Just a little bit right there and a little on my nose. That was actually a lot more than I wanted, but it's fine. Now for concealer, I don't use my hands. I do use a sponge because it's a little bit harder to spread out. So you wanna like go over all your eye area below the cheekbone, which I will give you tips in another video of how you can tell where your cheekbone is and where you should contour. Things like that if you're having a hard time, because I used to have the hardest time knowing where to contour because my face is kind of a little chubby, so it was hard to see where my cheekbone was and how to contour it, which is what I'm doing now. I'm using dual-ended contour stick by Wet n Wild. I just use the contour side and I'm just contouring my nose. I'm just following where my eyebrow ends, and then I do a little bit under my lip to make my lips stand out a little bit more. And then you want to do under your chin like so, and then also a little bit, do not press hard, under the chin, because that's going to give you a jawline. And I did some on my temples just to kind of even out the contour. And when you contour, you don't want to go below the cheekbone. If anything, you want to go up. This is going to make your cheekbones stand out. And then underneath, you just want to blend that. I blend it forward and then sometimes down underneath my jawline because it gives it a shadow and an illusion that you have a nice jawline. We're just bringing out our features right now. We're not changing them. We're not doing anything. We're just bringing them out. A lot of people want to change their features, but when you do that, you can tell that it's fake. It's good to have self-confidence in who you are. Ultimately, self-confidence and humility make you beautiful. So there's our contour. Nothing too crazy. Of course, I'm going to work, so I'm not trying to look like a glam queen. Now we're gonna add some powdered contour from Limelight. And I think they only have one type of contour. But this has a shimmer to it. And I just do a little bit. I don't do a lot. And I go up with it to my ear. See what I mean? I'm going up with it. This is lifting your face. And then I do go underneath the chin a little bit, not a lot. And that's about all I do with contour. Now, if I was doing glam and crazy and awesome makeup, there would be a little bit more to it than just that. But this is just normal, average, day-to-day makeup that I'm doing right now. Next, I use this brow gel, Strike Rich Brow Gel. I have it in the color medium brown, medium Moyen, number 2. And it looks like a mascara brush. And I just brush it up. This gives a more natural illusion than just coloring your brows in. This actually blends it a little bit more, makes it look more real, and actually brushes the brows to make them a little bit thicker looking. Sometimes when I'm doing more makeup, I will color in the ends of my brow, but I don't need to do that because I'm doing a more natural look. Voila, they look beautiful, gorgeous, magnificent. There you go. And you can see they got darker. They also look a little bit more thick, but they're not overbearing, which is exactly what I want. Blush. Yes, I almost forgot blush. Never forget your blush. Your blush is what makes you human. It makes you look not like a ghost, because we don't want to look like ghosts. We want to look like people, right? So I use Mars. I think the shade is called Orgasm. And I just dab a little bit and I go in circles from the end of my eye up because I don't want to go too much lower. And then I also go across my nose like this just to give it kind of that sunburnt look. super cute. I got that from Sabrina Carpenter, but then also Hailey Bieber does it. Now, my favorite pot, eyeshadow. Oh, the beautiful eyeshadow. So today we're gonna do a natural look, obviously, because I've been saying that 100 billion freaking million times. So I always start with the darker color and then work my way lighter. And I do the darker outside right here and kind of go into the crease of my eye. So I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. Yeah, Renaissance. And I'm gonna use the shade Raw Sienna, which is this one right here. It's more of a brown neutral kind of color, and I'm gonna use that. And not a lot, don't use a lot. Limbo, you're gonna make them think that there is a ghost in our house. Stop tearing up my curtains! I'm so sorry, guys. It's kind of a dark brown, but it's a little bit lighter. Then I'm gonna do like a purplish color just because I do like having a pop of color on my face. I'm not a boring person. I really like to add a little bit of personality. So I'm gonna use Bion Fresco. I think that's how you say it. This purple color right here is what I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna put it on the mid area of my lid, right there. And then to give a little bit of a more lighter look, I'm gonna use the tempera, but you can see I've used it a lot. I love this color for the inner corner of my eye, just because this is what's gonna brighten your eye color up. And there we go. That looks really good. I really like where this is going. I also like to tell people don't judge your makeup until you get closer to the finish line, because sometimes it's not gonna always look the best until later on. Moving on to eyeliner. I use liquid eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner is literally my favorite kind of eyeliner to use. A lot of people have a hard time using it, but I'm an artist, so painting is natural to me. I have it by IL Makiage. This company is really growing right now. You see ads all the time about them, about matching the foundation to your skin, and I have tried it. I can do a makeup video on that for you guys if you'd like. If you're like, I don't know if I want to try it, just let me know down in the comments. I will put a video on there showing you how it did for me. I still have my foundation, so I can give you the deets later. Here's their eyeliner. It's literally the best, and it has kind of a big pin with a little tip on the end, and it's black. I like it dark, and it's dark. So what I like to do for this is I like to start about right here on my eyelid where my eye pupil is and work my way out, but I'll start on the corner. I'll start right here and work my way up like that. And I'm pulling my eye back, so it's easier to follow. And then after I do that, I start where the pupil of my eye is, and go upwards till I meet the end. And that's how I do my eyeliner. And then on the bottom, I'll bring it in a little bit. And then you can just straighten it out from there. I don't know where I learned this trick. I think I just taught myself how to do it. But then I do the same to the other side. And I need to straighten this one up. And I need to match this one. And there you go. There's your eyeliner. And see how that looks? They pretty much match. You want to follow your brow. That's how you want to do your eyeliner when pulling it up. Pull it out to the same length as your brow, because that's gonna get you that nice clean look on both sides and make them equal. So now that that's done, all we have left to do, guys, is mascara and lipstick, which lipstick I really don't need since, you know, we're in a pandemic and we're not allowed to wear lipstick with masks on. Well, we can, but my hair just fell out. Let me fix this real quick. Anyways, we're in a pandemic and we have to wear masks. And when you put lipstick on, there's no point because your mask covering it. And then your masks get all dirty from the lipstick that you just put on, and then it gets all over your face and then messes up your makeup. So what's the point of lipstick if you can't enjoy wearing it? That's my rant of the day. Anyways, let's do mascara. I use Sky High by Maybelline. This mascara, guys, oh my gosh. I'm running out and I need to go buy more, so it might not do what it's supposed to today. If you have small eyelashes and you're like, God, I just want long eyelashes for once in my life, get this mascara. It will freaking like extend your eyelashes. It's crazy. I already have long eyelashes as it is, and it still does wonders to my eyes. It's incredible what this mascara does, seriously. But guys, you can already see it doing the job. You can already see it. So crazy. Like my lashes when I was in school used to be so long, and they still are long, and I can tell that they're still long. They're lazy. There we go. We're all done with our mascara. It's not as crazy, so don't judge it. We will be doing another video where I go all out on my makeup and you will see what this stuff really can do. Now we're gonna do this. This is the Time Setter Spray by Limelight. It's like the primer, but this is the makeup finish. So we are done. We're putting everything to set in. So this is what it's gonna do. It's why it's called Time Setter, because it's gonna leave that makeup on there all freaking day. Let it dry, and there we have it. We are all done. I was gonna put this lipstick on, but there's really no point, and I'm really mad about it. I'll do it in the next video, the next makeup video that I do. Let me know if you want to see my skincare routine. Let me know if you want to see anything else. If you have, you know, pins on Pinterest and you're like, dang, I want to know how to do this makeup. I'm about to go to the prom. I'm about to get my makeup done, and I just need to know how to do it because I ain't rich. I ain't got the money to pay someone to do it. Let me know, because I can do that stuff. I really can. So let me know down in the comments if you want to see something specific, and I will do it for you because I'm always looking for new content. Be looking out for some more music videos coming and covers coming. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Be beautiful. Stay confident. And listen to your music. Alrighty, you guys have a great day. Bye.